when I was a kid, maybe like 12 or 13, I wanted a bike. Like, I wanted a real mountain bike. And we never had no money, you know, and you know, it is what it is. You have no bike and you deal with it. So I saved up some money, and me and my dad, we went to get it. And I found the one I like, and I know that specific brand that I wanted. And I know the bike was yellow. So all my friends, all the kids in the yard, they wanted like heavy mountain bikes. And my dad was telling me that I shouldn't get one of those. I should get one of the ones that are light and with thin tires. And I was like, nah, I don't care. And then I kind of want the heavy and whatever any other kid has it, you know? And we went to this place, it was like a warehouse, and they got this yellow bike with thin tires. And that brand that I wanted, and I remember this so good. And they had only one on a showcase. And I was like, Dad, I want it. And that was back in Ukraine, because that's where I grew up. And it was right about the money that I had, and my dad had to add a little bit. The guy was like, no, we don't have any other ones. That's the only bike we have. And we can't sell you the one on the showcase. I remember that so vividly. Like, I was so sad, I almost cried. So we didn't get the bike. We ended up getting a different one, as any other kid in the yard had it, with heavy tires, and maybe like a month later. Well, anyways, this damn bike that we just shot a commercial of is the same style that I wanted when I was a kid. It's just red. Well, I finally got it, like 15 years later. That's a little back of a story for you guys. But it just clicked in my head so vividly when I got it. And how funny that life could be that this company actually reached out to me to shoot a commercial for them. They shipped the bike, I didn't even know which one is it. And the one comes into the door is that same bike. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video that you just watched. We put a lot of work to it. This was actually inspired by the guy named Danny Gevirtz. Hopefully I pronounced your name right. But he's a cinematographer and here a YouTuber. And I actually watched his channel for a long time, and he recently just made a bike video. It was one of his personal projects. You should just pause my video and go watch that video, because it is like a short documentary that he shot on a cinema camera, and it was just so good. Such a good vibe. I watched it probably like 10 times and got inspired, and a lot of shots I got from him. So thank you so much, Danny. I really like your stuff. I, for the first time, used grain in my video to get that filmic look that Danny uses, and I kind of like it. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm sure you would on the big screen. And thank you so much to Ben, who was the model in this video. He freaking kicked ass. Love it, man. So much love. And thank you so much, Edgard, who did a lot of behind the scene work in this video. And we finally can show you guys and share how we capture these videos and how I make social media ads. So if you have any questions regarding how I shot this video, any questions about editing, color, anything you have in mind, drop it in the comments below. I will pretty much answer those in my next video next week. I hope you guys like this video. I was pretty pumped about this particular video, especially after like a day it took me to find a song that I like. And then I actually decided first 10 seconds of video, don't even put any music, and then start up just with the sound effects. Well, I'm not gonna talk much, I'll cover that in my next video. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time. Peace!